Taylor here with Agri Spray Drones. We offer a 12-month extended coverage plan for all of our Agras drone models. So what is this coverage plan, what does it cover, and how does it differ from the warranty? Well, first let me explain to you how the DJI warranty works and what it covers. So some components like the battery are actually covered for a year. Other components like the drone frame are covered about a month. And other parts on the drone are about 6 months or so. That is from the DJI manufacturer's warranty. So whenever you have a drone that has a manufacturer issue, a manufacturer defect, and it causes a crash or it causes an error, then you send it to us, then we have to get the flight log off of it. We have to get information from you, what's going on, pictures, details, send that to DJI, and then DJI gets back to us about 4 days later and they say, okay, go ahead and fix this, replace this part, and it's covered under warranty, and we'll provide a replacement part for you to cover that. So that is DJI's warranty. The problem with that is some components are only covered for a month to 6 months, and if we follow that to the T, then we have to hold your drone until they say, yes, go ahead and fix it because it's this part and it's covered under warranty. Otherwise, if we fix it outside the warranty, you're stuck paying for parts and labor. So our coverage plan takes everything out to 12 months. Everything on the drone, everything on the remote, out to 12 months. It does only cover manufacturer defects. So if you crash into a tree and you turn your obstacle avoidance off to do so, or something like that, then it does not cover something like that. But if it's a manufacturer defect, it is covered. So how does our warranty program work? Well, I guess our extended coverage plan work. So you send us the drone, you give us all the information just like you normally would, like going through DJI's warranty program, but then we go ahead and fix it. So we pretty much know what goes on with these drones and how to fix them right off the bat. So we're just going to go ahead and start replacing parts. We're going to replace whatever needs to be replaced. We're going to get it back up in the air. We're going to test it. We're going to send it back to you as quick as possible. Often same day turnaround time if you're local and you can get it to us and wait around to get it picked up. And then whenever DJI gets back to us and they say, hey, this is covered under warranty, then obviously there's no cost. Benefit there is you get your drone 3 or 4 days sooner. So what if we fix it, get it back to you, and it turns out that, okay, it was operator error? Then what do? Well, you have to pay for parts, but we still cover the labor. On almost every case anyways, we still cover the labor, you just pay for the parts in that case. So the benefit of our extended coverage plan is you get your drone back up in the air as quick as possible without waiting for somebody to say, yep, go ahead and do it. I hope that answers your questions about the extended coverage plan. Let us know if you need anything else. Thanks.